Welcome to a new video and episode on my fischertechnik robot interface programmed for this project in BASIC, which is an acronym for Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. The robot interface has a serial interface which is connected in this project. It has 4 motor outputs which can in single output also be used as output to, for example, an LED, 8 digital inputs and a few analog outputs and inputs, as well as distance sensor. It has connection for battery, obviously for AC power, or more appropriate, an AC adapter. It works on DC, and 3 types of memory: 2 flash memories and random access memory. Software will be stored in random access memory because that has a much longer lifespan than flash. BASIC in this case is created for Windows, which I don't have, so I'm using the Wine emulator to use it. Upload, compile, and run I can do with buttons. Then, if you've watched my previous episode, you'll notice here a change. I have ordered a new connection part, so I can now safely put the photo transistor into a socket, new connector, so I can safely connect them. Power motor, sonar, active sonar, so it sends and receives with a minimum reliable distance of 2 centimeters. So let me put it like this, 2 centimeters. Mini motor, LED, light emitting diode, and a switch. So, purpose now is to improve the algorithm and see if I can get things to work nicely. By the way, by lack of a display, I am using the serial interface connected to a computer to get output. And last time, or the time before that, I also started using the mathematical and scientific language Octave to get all input in there as well, and try to see if I can get it into a matrix or something, or a vector. Anyway, to gather the data. Now it's time to upload, but to do that it's nicer to see that and then show you on screen. So let's go there. Alright, software side. If you're watching this for the first time, then an explanation. 1 window for uploading the software, 1 window for compiling the software, which is with the wine command to invoke the Windows reading compiler. Minicom serial terminal for reading the output from the terminal, from the robot interface. Source code, opened in VI editor, by the way, and obviously the camera, and in Octave written for attempt for data acquisition. Device on the computer, speed or baud rate or speed, and then in an endless loop reading serial information, because here the variable serial is for this whole interface, 20 bytes at a time, and then directly put it into onto the screen with the F flash to standard output. But first, let's upload and C, and then I probably have to cycle power to make any changes. So first upload, that's done. Then using the buttons to run it, 1, 2 and go. Then pressing the switch, because now the LED is burning. There it goes. Motor goes. Then there should be a speed change. Yes, there is a speed change. Very good. And then photo transistor lighting, and I should show that, of course. And yes, photo transistor, that's very good. Now I have to interrupt the power, because otherwise I can't do things. And I want to give it a break, but there's no break according to the manual, so I have to create a break variable. So let's go there. So how to do this? Well, let me first do something else. Enlarge the window for a moment. I tried last time to get two conditions into one with a while loop. Well, that seems to be impossible in this version of BASIC. So what can I do? Well, first of all, just forget about it. Do I have this? Yes, I can delete this one as well. This one, so cleaning up code for a moment. Then, what I was talking about, break. Last time it was stuck in one loop, and then if I shine on things, I can, or have a condition activated, then I can say, alright, I can end the loop. The loop can be ended, of course, when this condition is no longer true. But if it is stuck, I say, okay, I introduce a break variable. So, var break var. Usually, this won't be done, but in this version, in this while, it needs to be done in this version of BASIC, unfortunately. Well, this is going alright, time and time again. So let me say, okay, there's a photo transistor, and break var is 1, then I say, okay, break var is 0. According to the information, that would be correct. So, if so, let's see if this is working. Then, of course, I have to compile. A lot of input because screen output, because it is a simulator, an emulator, and then since I read line 3. Oh, right. It doesn't know this one. Yeah. So I have to declare what it is. Then I say, alright, this is an integer. right. Break var is 1. That will be better. So start again. That seems to me like end of compiling, correctly compiled. Okay. And now let's go here. Power cycle. Upload. Yeah, too fast. Now it's done. So, selecting the memory again. No. That is not correct. Oh, now I have to upload again. I cycled power. 2. Now it's there. Yes. So, pressing the switch. And now, because I changed only the coder larger than 5, I have to go larger than 5. So, removing the battery pack right here. And now I have to wait. It's gone back to LED. Now it's going fast. So, okay. That doesn't matter apparently. It does go into it. So this is the only way it changes. Alright. Then I'll have to introduce an endless while, apparently. So let's do just that. But I want to introduce something else as well, which is line numbers. Quite important, because that makes editing a bit easier. Let me see if I can try to do that, and then introduce an endless while with something. Alright. After studying the code, there is some issue that I can't use the break variable after all. This break variable is another break variable. It is not the standard break instruction that is known in other languages like C or C++. So this cannot be used in the same way. So I have to let it go, which is too bad, but it is what it is. And yes, I have now line numbers in front, so that is nice to work with. Then this one can go as well. Next thing, because I'm now using minicom, I want to use Octave. So I am now starting to run this, and it runs. But as you can see with this, this is functioning at the same time, but it's missing a lot of stuff. So I better end this right now. Put an end here as well. Abort. And start again. And this is also not quite what I expect. Because here this is ruined, and if you look at the 20 bytes, how much is this? 5, 6, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 21, 22. Oops, too many bytes. So I have to use 22 to be exact. But even then, there's no saying in how this will go. So let's go again. See, and that's the problem. It misses stuff. Now here ends it and here it goes on. So unfortunately this is not really nice to do. Can I get things into data? Can I recognize numbers and strings? That is a nice question. Because obviously, if I go here, can I do the same? That's another question. Oh, setting. Yeah, speed is everything with serial. Here things are being printed nicely. Another thing that that comes to mind is that when I experienced in another project with Python, I have to explicitly tell the Python package that I want a carriage return, not just a new line, but a carriage return as well. Here, it apparently doesn't matter. So not only the new line, but the carriage return is executed. And that is a nice one. While here, there's a carriage return here because it looks for a number of bytes. So there is a distinct difference between the two. How to solve that one? I have to dive into that. Next thing, I have here a loop, obviously. So let me show the camera again, and increasing the distance, and loop ends, and it goes to LED again. Now if I look here, it says okay, while in a 0 do the LED, but what if I change this the distance? Because so far I have pressed the motor of the switch, so it goes to the motor, but what happens now? Oh, you can't see it. So I did it with the battery pack here. Object. What happens now? Absolutely nothing. And by the way, this is a USB stick. So it is at 2.5 centimeters, which is 2 or 3 centimeters. But the point is, distance is now here. Distance is smaller than 5. It doesn't do it because it looks at the in. So now I will press the switch right here. What happens? Well, of course, it is now into the. Yeah, I should put this one somewhere here. That's better. But then again, that leaves an ugly space here. So let's do it like this. Yeah. Let's play around with everything. I have to press this one apparently, which is the motor. It does it once. Okay. Going back and forth with the motor. So why doesn't it take the shorter distance? Now it does. Takes a while. And then when I withdraw the object, it goes back to LED. So there is something in the algorithm that is not entirely my idea of working functionally, or I don't understand it. Can also be true. Alright, the idea of giving or reading a new line or a carriage return I didn't find, but I was told to end it nicely. Nicely meaning don't just interrupt with Ctrl C, but read a character from the keyboard, then break the while and flush the serial port and close it. So yes, I am now reading an X from the serial from the keyboard, then it breaks the while, and yes, flush or cleaning up all data lines, which is transmit and receive, and then close the serial port. So I run it. Currently only the LED is burning. So let me change that. Pressing the button. That alright, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I don't mind. Then the big motor goes, then next shining some light, and yes, phototransistor is being seen. Now the nice thing is of course that I can put things into an array, but I need to enlarge that array and then see how many times it happens. But for now this is nicely happening. Then oops. Oh, alright. Something is interrupted. One time the motor. Then, after pressing the switch again, this switch, I already have put the battery right here. Now it goes in a very slow pace. Then I want, once again, the phototransistor. And it says phototransistor at 53. And that should be correct given everything in here. Smaller than 5. And that is indeed 53. Removing the light, and it goes into 52. Yep, 52. Then this has no use yet, and then I'm talking about doing this. So I am removing the battery pack, and there the LED starts. So yeah, this implementation of BASIC is nice, but not all. Not everything is implemented, and so do the manuals say. Maybe when I contact the guy who wrote it, he can implement some things. It's over a decade old by now, so who knows what more can be done. But considering the time, I'm almost at the end of it. So let's see. And considering the time left, I am wrapping this video. So some changes to the algorithm. Some tests not bringing what I expected them to do. And a change in the Octave algorithm, which I have changed a little bit, and some notes for next time to improve, such as writing a vector to a file. Always nice when you do data acquisition. Improving of the algorithm in BASIC, yeah, how far that can go, I don't know. There are quite a few examples that I can follow, by the way. So the end is not near yet. For now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Like it. Also, give suggestions, comments. Always welcome. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show your appreciation by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. And you can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. All information, including the URL of my website, with much more information, please see below the video. For now, well, obviously to be continued. Have a nice day and bye bye.